Welcome to the Indiana State Board of Animal Health YouTube video on signing and saving the eCVI. We're using the version 3.2 for this demonstration. This is the most up-to-date version. You can see the version of your CVI down in the bottom right-hand corner where it says version 3.2. So once the form has been completely filled out and there are no red fields remaining, you're now ready to sign the form. So you'll enter the date that you signed the form here. And remember that dates can go in 2, 2, and 4 format, or you can always choose the drop-down caret and pick the date that you're signing the form. You'll also go down here to this red arrow that says Sign Here. Click on the Sign Here form. If you already have a digital signature on your computer, you can choose My Existing Digital ID. If you don't have a digital ID, you'll want to create a new digital ID. You'll leave this field to the top toggle which says New PKCS number 12 Digital ID File, and then hit Next. In this line, you'll type your name just like you would sign it if you were using ink. I recommend that you either use Doctor or DVM. Under Organizational Unit, you'll put your clinic name. Under Organizational Name, you'll put the same clinic name. Under Email Address, you'll put the email that you want to print on the form. And then you'll leave the last 3 to default, and you'll hit Next. Now you need to create a password, and this is a password that protects your signature. So it's up to you how you'd like this signature to be distributed, who you would like to have the password. Some veterinarians would like to keep the password just for themselves. Other people feel comfortable letting their staff have it. That's completely up to you. But this is the point where your signature is applied to an official document. You'll create a password here. And then you'll retype the password. And there is no password retrieval, so try and keep track of that password. And then put Finish. So after you've created this signature, this is the box that will pop up. So only the first time you make your signature will you have to go through the steps of typing how you want it to appear. Following that, you'll just get this screen, and you will enter your password. And then you'll hit Sign. It immediately wants you to save this form somewhere. So because this version only requires a single save, you get to pick where you'd like to save it. So we can save it on the desktop, we can save it in a folder, but you'll want to save it, and you want to be sure that you change the name of the file. And however you would like to label your files is just fine with us. You will not mess us up. And now you can see that your signature appeared on the form. You can also see at the top that a certificate number was created. So you're completely done with this form, and it's ready to be emailed to our office. It's also ready to be printed for your client, and you can also email it to your client as well. And you will email this to this email address. It's ecvi@boah.in.gov. And in the subject line, you can put the species of animal. And now you're going to attach the file. So you just have to remember wherever the file was saved, and then click on that document to attach it. You do not have to put anything in the body of the email. You can attach 5 certificates to each email. Keep in mind that these files, when they're completed, are very large. So if you have slow internet connection, your send and receive may take a little while. But don't make the mistake of attaching too many to one email, because if you attach more than 5, the email will bounce back. And then all you have to do is click send, and you've completed the process of signing and saving.